Software testers, are we in danger? Will AI take away our jobs? If you're new to software testing or thinking of entering this field, you might be wondering, is AI replacing testers? Today we'll bust the myths and show you how AI is actually creating more opportunities and not taking them away. So let's start the video. Before we start, please hit like button and subscribe to our channel for more such updates. So let's get started. AI is automating tasks faster than ever. It can run thousands of tests in minutes, detect patterns, and even predict failures before they happen. But does that mean human testers are no longer needed? Not at all. AI is a tool, not a replacement. Let's break it down. AI is great at handling repetitive, time consuming tasks like test automation, running scripts at scale, bug detection, spotting anomalies in logs, performance testing, simulating real world loads, predictive analytics, identifying risk areas. It's like having a superpowered assistant, but AI has limitations. Now let's talk about what AI can't do and then why testers are still needed. AI lacks human intuition, creativity, and real world judgment. Here's what only human testers can do. 1. Exploratory testing. AI can only test what it has been trained on, but it lacks curiosity and intuition to explore beyond predefined test cases. Human testers can think outside the box, randomly navigate applications, and uncover hidden bugs that scripted AI tests might miss. For example, one tester accidentally clicks an unexpected button sequence and discovers a hidden bug. But AI wouldn't have thought to try that. User experience, UX testing. AI can analyze screen layouts, but it doesn't understand emotions or human frustration. Testers check usability, ease of navigation, and design clarity to ensure real users have a good experience. For example, an AI might confirm that a login button works, but a tester might notice that the button is too small and hard to click on mobile devices. Through business logic validation, AI executes test cases based on rules, but it doesn't understand the purpose of the application. Testers ensure the software aligns with business requirements and meets real world user needs. Example, a banking app needs a specific loan approval process. I might verify if fields accept input, but a tester ensures that the correct calculations and rules apply. 4. Ethical and bias testing. AI models can be biased, but they can't self correct or identify ethical issues. Human testers assess fairness, inclusivity, and unintended biases in AI driven applications. So, what I say is AI is a powerful tool, but it needs human oversight. AI makes testing faster and more efficient, but human testers provide context, creativity, and ethical judgment, things AI simply can't replicate. Instead of replacing testers, it helps them focus on higher value tasks while automating the repetitive ones. Now, let's see AI tools that can help you and not replace you. Instead of fearing AI, learn how to use it. Here are some top AI powered testing tools. Testim, AI powered test automation. Apple Tools, visual testing with AI. Mebble, AI driven end to end testing. Catalan, AI powered test script generation. Diff Blue Cover, AI for unit test automation. These tools help testers work smarter, not harder. Let me know in the comments below if you need any video on these tools, or can I make separate video on only tools? Let me know below. How you can future-proof your testing career. Want to stay ahead? Here's how you can future-proof your career in testing. 1. Learn AI-powered tools. Get hands-on with AI automation. Focus on exploratory and usability testing. AI can't replace human intuition. Understand DevSecOps and shift left testing. AI complements modern testing approaches. 4. Improve problem solving skills. Critical thinking is key. All I can say is AI isn't taking jobs, it's changing them. The testers who embrace AI will be the most in demand. So, what do you think? Will AI take over testing or will it make testers more valuable? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, happy testing. Bye bye.